Oh my god, guys, look at my coins and diamonds. This hack working perfectly. What's up, people, and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited coins and diamonds for DLS 25 absolutely pretty safe and online, guys, without downloading any mod or anything magic, guys. It's working perfectly in both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called iOS, then type in search DLS and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open the game and now click up here on settings, click on advanced, click on system info, then copy info. Let's get back to the R tool, then paste it just like that, and automatically we have our user ID. Press continue, guys. Let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our desired amount of coins and diamonds. So I will go with the maximum, guys. So let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for DLS 25, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites for now. This Apple is an amazing website for this. Okay, guys, AP connected. The next step is select I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect. And now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. Just click here on free click go and it will start the loading from the official publisher with the app and download it, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download TikTok and I will download Travel Town, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting text, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. We still redirecting, guys. So let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Coins and diamonds are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Oh my god, guys, look at my coins and diamonds. This hack working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.